How to use Google Circle to search on iPhone 13. Now go to App Store. I have already downloaded it. Now download the Chrome browser. Now go to any website. Now click on the three-dot menu. Now scroll down and click on the search screen with Google Lens. Now select any image by circling it. You can see that after circling, the automatic news has arrived. You can customize it if you like. Now press and hold it upwards. Now it will always be on top. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.